Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is 9:28, 2 minutes to the New York Open. It is Thursday, October 17th. Still struggling with my throat, and so I'm going to talk as little as possible. I'm going to start here on the daily frame, guys. As always, NASDAQ and S&P left and right. Today we have up days, very strong up days here through Asia and the European session so far. Of course, that session is still open. Up days and bullish bodies, right? Up days and still very bullish bodies. In fact, the S&P has hit a new all-time high here overnight and into the early morning, and looking like it wants to hit another one here as we get into the open. These are the two sisters on 1 minute charts, guys, about to open in about 1 minute. Volume weighted average price, 2 standard deviation bands, and flattening out here a little bit coming into the open. I'll put you on pause, guys. I'll bring you back once we're 1 or 2 or 3 minutes into the open, and we'll take this even further. Actually, guys, prior to the open, I do want to show you my trading grid. Very interesting day here. There's the daily again. Bullish candle, right? Up day and bullish body. Very big candle here this morning. Even almost as big as this candle that we had on Tuesday, today being Thursday, and pushing up there above EMA's 9 and 21 rising EMA. So very bullish picture in U.S. stocks, period, never mind the NASDAQ. But look at this 30-minute chart, guys. I'm going to expand this into full screen. This is an arrow and zones I sent to my groups yesterday, and showing clean traffic range here, of course. And now the NASDAQ is on a mission. We're about 3/4 of the way to closing that, ending that mission, which was a key zone before prices drove down on Tuesday. That's that Tuesday candle I showed you, that big blue candle on daily. There it is. Yesterday, more sideways. We had a V bottom reversal yesterday after the open and so on. But this will be an important piece of the puzzle here, guys, as we go into the open. We're open now, by the way. And let me take you back to the 1 minute chart. There's the 1 minute open range, still 15 seconds left in that. I'm going to drop down to the 30-second chart here for some surgical precision. So we are extended, guys. Bullish picture, but we are extended on the daily. We are extended on the 30. It doesn't mean overextended, but it's part of the story to consider the extension as prices come into the pre-market here. Below EMAs, and below EMAs, pulling back up into open range now. Both the NASDAQ and the S&P inside the open range. Nothing for me to do here, guys. I'll put you on pause and I'll bring you back in a bit. Back to the power grid, pulling back. We have broken the prior candle. I'm going to put in a temporary zone here, guys, just to show that we are beginning to drive down here a little bit. Again, extended daily, extended 30. This could be a little bit of a reversal coming into the pre-market. Some profit taking, shall we say, from those overnight participants. Let's see. I'll delete this arrow now just to keep things nice and clean. We are driving down. I'm just going to watch this go, guys, and wait for some structure to work with here. Just watching here, guys, nothing to do. I'd like to see this pull all the way back to the 21, at least on the 30-second chart, ideally on the 1 minute chart, as you've often seen me do, but that's got a long way to go. But I'm not touching this here, guys. I certainly don't want to be bottom picking in this free fall. All right, guys, back on the 1 minute chart here as we're tapping into the 21 EMA. This is just a marker. Just thinking here, just thinking. Not doing anything yet, guys. Patience. Nothing yet. All right, guys. Right here below this live candle, sell stop. Stop above. Very, very tight here, guys. This should be no trouble whatsoever. Tcon momentum play. Stop below the live candle. Stop to enter, that is. and stop loss just above, right there. This is a sniper play for sure. If we break down, I'm in the trade. If we go higher, all bets are off. This is the dance, guys. All right, so now we're going higher. Stop to enter, moved up to this prior candle. Stop loss. Yes, staying where it is right here, guys. Of course, I'll only be brought into this trade if we break down below. If we don't, we just keep on moving higher until the trade idea is invalidated. But there's the 9 squeezing into the 21 after a big free fall drop down. Moving again, guys. Stop below. Prior candle low. Now my stop loss goes above this candle here. You see that there? Very substantial selling between this candle and this candle. All right, now stop down below. Just dancing with the NASDAQ here, guys. The arrow was shot, pulling back on the bow. Adjusting again, prior candle low. Stop above this candle here. Here we go. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ, looking for 1R here. Just a resumption of the move down, right? Impulse wave down, shooting the arrow, pulling back on the bow, 9 squeezing into the 21 with a potential resumption for a little piece of the move. No guarantees. This is a tricky trade. There's definitely some pretty strong buying coming in here. Trend continuation trade, guys. Extended move up on the daily, erasing much of this prior big down candle that we saw here on Tuesday. Extended move, of course, into the European session and into the New York Open, and then failing immediately, falling out of bed. I did not catch any of this, as you know. Lockout, sell down, and now we've had this fairly orderly pullback, zigzag pullback, which is nice to see. A bit more than a measured move, so fairly extended here too. That can be a sign of two things: a sign that we are extended, and so this move down should happen without too much trouble, or that substantial buying is coming in here in layers, and that means I will likely be stopped out for a 1-hour charge on this one, but we shall see together. And there it is, guys, just like that. This is a masterclass on dancing with the market for trend continuation trade. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Have an amazing day.